Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are as well as very good. Hope we are now start some new topics for class 10th. So, in the class 10th, chemistry, physics, and biology, all these subject will be study in the part by part next portion. I think each and every student must be have to get a command on the science. So fundamental things is first question arise what is the science? So maximum time of people saying about where we study about physics, chemistry, biology. So these are science. Maybe sometimes they always right, but if we are study about science, so that means science is that of sequentially study of any object. Science is just sequentially study of any object which belongs to their physical properties and chemical properties and biological properties. When we study about these things by the physical properties, then we always study about the physical measurements, length, breadth, height, force of attractions. So these are known as physics. And when we have to study about the chemical properties of any object, so that means they are known as the chemistry. When we have to study about the chemical properties, and where we have to study about the biological properties of object, that means they are known as the categorized into biology. So now we are studying about the step by step science, where we are studying about the object, that means anything. Suppose that this is marker pen. So number one thing, by the physical properties we can see this and say about that it is a marker pen, but its length, height, breadth, color, all these are physical properties. So physical properties, that means a study about the physics. Chemical properties, so it is a made up of plastic, fibers, cottons, ink, that means liquids. So these are made up of different things. That thing is polyethylene, made up of carbon and hydrogen. But it will be stay in remain same position in everywhere without using any external force. That means they cannot reproduce. They cannot change their position by itself. That means they having all characteristics of non-living things. That means biological properties is non-living things made up of carbon, hydrogens, and other things, etc., etc. So, as usual, we can say when we have to study about the object, that means this is our object. So, in the term of science, object is a dash type of thing where we have to study about the each physical and chemical and biological properties in science. So, that object is known as matter. So, each and everything in our surrounding is known as matter. So, first of all, we have to study about matter. Okay, matter, some basic characters. take a space. That means occupy a space. Other word we can say about the occupy space. So they always cover their area. That means area taken by object. Okay. So number second things, shape and size. Shape and size. Shape is a structure, and size where we have to study about the dimension, length, breadth, height is size. But triangle, rectangle, square, quadrilaterals is a size. Sorry, shape. Mass and volume. Mass and volume. That means basic things. Weight. Yeah, volume. Liter. So it will be measured in liter, meter, kg. Third things made up of a smallest particle. Name molecules. So this is just made up of molecules. Molecules is the smallest particle of object matter, and molecules made up of a smallest particle of molecules, smallest particle named atom. So it is a made up of atom, and atom is made up of charged particles, electron, proton, and neutron. Okay. So these three things is a chemical properties. Matter, smallest particles, molecules. Molecules are smallest particles, atoms, and atoms charged particles, electron, proton, neutron. So each and everything is a made up of electron, protons, and neutrons. In other way, we can say when the electron, protons, neutrons forms our atoms, and atoms combine to form our molecules, and molecules can be form our matter. Right. Okay, that's main things about the matter. So matter is a made up of molecules.